Where are A/B tests being used? Questions such as what is more likely for people to click? Will people buy our product? Will the users register in our website? Are questions that can be answered using A/B tests. A/B tests are being used to test for website designs, offers, headlines, and even product descriptions. What is more interesting is that most of the experiments are running without the awareness of the users. And A/B tests are not only run online, they're also run offline. You can find them in marketing campaigns, email campaigns, advertisement that you see on the street. What are common mistakes that are being done when people run A/B tests? There are three main mistakes that are made. The first one is that tests are not being run at their completion. Most of the technology that allows you to run A/B tests also allows you to see the results in real time. For this reason, sometimes some managers stop the experiment when they feel they got the result they were expecting. Some software vendors even reinforce this behavior by offering real-time decision-making solutions. But we warn against this approach. It's better to just let your test run. We saw it before. The right sample size is really important to determine if your test was correct or not. Another common mistake that is usually seen is looking at too many metrics. When you look at too many metrics, spurious correlations might appear in your tests. Things that have nothing to do with each other might suddenly be correlated and might lead you to the wrong conclusions. The third mistake that we often see is not repeating the experiment. Particularly in the online world that things move so fast, people tend not to repeat experiments, but it makes sense to do it because it might be that the result that we found was incorrect. Remember, all this is based on probabilistic estimations. So it makes sense to repeat the experiments and make sure that the result that we got was actually correct and the decision that we're making is the right one. Finally, while A/B test is not a panacea that will solve all your problems, it's a really important tool in your toolkit. And if it doesn't work for whatever reason, you can fall back to the classical ways of running your business.